We will hear arguments for the case of Miranda versus Arizona.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice. And may it please the court, I stand before you today because my client was put in jail unfairly. In this case, the police have gone too far.
What's wrong with that?
The Constitution protects people's right to not say anything that could help put them in jail. That includes the right to have a lawyer during questioning, because lawyers make sure criminal suspects don't say things to hurt their own case.
There are at least two sides to every case.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the court, this is a case in which the police did their job, which is to fight crime. People should be responsible for knowing their rights.
But the right to stay silent is an important constitutional right.
If the courts require police to inform suspects of their right to stay silent, it will be harder to put criminals in jail.
Very well.
Your Honor, if I may, this case involves the Fifth Amendment, the right to remain silent.
That is correct.
A moment, please. Here's the key to the case.
Indeed. Support granted.
It helps to show why those arrested need to have a lawyer present in order to protect their right to remain silent.
Calculating brilliant play. Ready for the...
I don't see a connection to your argument. It does not support your argument that it is the responsibility of defendants to know their rights.
One moment.
You're about to
Time.
You seem to have lost us here.
Although the Supreme Court does look to past decisions, this case was not about whether or not criminal suspects should be told about their rights.
Almost ready to amaze you.
I'll grant that support.
It helps to show why it is not the police's job to inform suspects of their rights.
A moment. Allow me.
Indeed. Support granted. It helps to show why those arrested need to be informed of their rights and have a lawyer present.
Hold your... Boom.
I haven't.
A very clear and convincing point. It helps to show why it is not necessary for the police to inform suspects of their Fifth Amendment rights.
I have. I'm
Interesting.
If many suspects don't know their rights, then they must be told.
Nicely said. I like your explanation and how it connects your support with the argument you make.
Almost ready to amaze you. I impress even myself.
I have an no.
You have a point. This support is not acceptable.
It's just an opinion, and not a very good one. There are constitutional rules that must be followed, even for guilty suspects.
I'm sure it won't happen again. I think we've heard enough. In the case of Miranda versus Arizona, this court rules in favor of Miranda.
In a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court ruled that the police must inform criminal suspects of their constitutional rights before questioning begins. Specifically, the police must tell suspects of their right to remain silent, right to know that any statements can be used as evidence against them, and right to an attorney. If the police do not explain these rights, then any statements or confessions given by a suspect may not be used as evidence.